Right, I'm having a bit of trouble with the old Holden Rodeo. It's taking a long time to warm up, about half an hour driving along before it raises above the cold level. So I suspect it might be a stuck open thermostat, which is in there. Either that or the heat sensor, but I think that's okay because it is rising gradually. So I'll pull that thermostat out and make sure it's not stuck open, because it's not ideal when the engine doesn't heat up quickly. It wears things out prematurely. So I'll just drain a bit out of that radiator first, so it doesn't come spilling out the top. There should be a tap under here somewhere. There's a tap down there. Well, you can see the problem there. There's a bit of a gap on the right hand side between the seal and the outer part of the thermostat, so the water's just been leaking through there. That's why it hasn't been heating up properly. So I'll get a new one of those and replace it, and it should be all good. That looks like the right one. Same diameter, same length. Looks to be sealing quite well, this new one, so that's the main thing. Whereas this old one, you can see the gap down there on one side. So it may have been faulty since new. No way of knowing. So I've just boiled some water. It's at about 90 degrees now. We'll see how that opens. Yep, that's coming up nicely at around about 80 to 90 degrees. See, it's raised up, letting the water through, so that should be good. And it's seating down properly as well. That should make a big difference. So it's warming up within about 5 minutes, which is ideal. Before it was taking half an hour driving to get up to that level, so it's going to be better for the engine. It'll probably use less fuel with everything warmed up. So if your engine's taking a long time to heat up, might be worth looking at the thermostat. It could be a simple fix like that, just a thermostat that's not closing properly. Thanks for watching, catch you next time.